Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Glommer. First, understand that Glommer is a unique, passive creature that can become your loyal companion. It offers a helpful sanity boost of plus 6.25 per minute when you are nearby, which is great for exploring. Plus, Glommer regularly drops a useful item called Glommer's Goop, which has several applications for your survival. To begin your quest for Glommer, you must first locate its unique statue. This distinctive landmark is typically found within the deciduous forest biome, so start your search there. Keep an eye out, as the statue frequently appears close to a Pig King village. Remember, Glommer's special flower, which is essential for befriending it, only blooms at the statue during a full moon. Once you've found the statue during a full moon, simply approach and pick up Glommer's flower. As soon as you do, Glommer will appear and begin to follow you, acting as your loyal companion. To ensure Glommer stays with you, keep the flower in your inventory. Alternatively, you can place the flower inside Chester, and Glommer will follow him instead, offering more inventory space for you. Glommer's Goop, dropped every 2 to 4 days, is incredibly versatile. It serves as excellent fuel for fires, a potent fertilizer for your crops, or even emergency food. Be aware that eating Goop restores 40 health, but significantly reduces your sanity by 50 points. For more survival tips and great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.